how to turn off voicemail on my iPhone. So if you want to turn off your voicemail on your iPhone, then what you need to do is you just need to simply open up your phone, go with your dialer. Now here you need to type *#62# and then enter. After that, you need to go back and then open up your settings. Once you're on your settings, you need to scroll down and then you will find an option of call forwarding. You can also just simply go with your search and search for call forwarding. You'll find it under your apps, phone, and call forwarding. So tap on it. You'll have this kind of interface. Now, if this is turned on, you can just simply go and turn this option off, and your call forwarding will be turned off, or your voicemail will be turned off. After that, you can also just simply go with your dial pad again, and now you can enter #004# and then call, so that you are able to turn off your voicemail on your iPhone. That's how you can turn off your voicemail on your iPhone. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.